The best part about the Navimow X430 is that you actually completely forget about mowing. This is going to run quiet every single day. It's going to keep your lawn permanently manicured at a perfect, consistent height. This robot lawnmower is going to handle up to a full acre across 120 different customized zones. And that works entirely in the background, so you can take the chore completely off your plate. Now, the technology on these new ones is a massive leap forward from what they used to be. Zero buried perimeter wires, no ugly base station antennas. This one is actually going to use networked RTK satellite positioning, and that's paired with a 360-degree AI vision camera. That thing gives you centimeter level accuracy. It has a vision fence system that automatically spots and steers around over about 200 types of objects like stray toys, lawn chairs, or pets. None of that stuff is getting ran over by your mower. Now underneath, these pack serious hardware. You've got an all-wheel drive system with a dual independent suspension, plus patented zero-turn steering, which means it's going to tackle a steep 84% slope without scuffing up your turf. This thing has a 17-inch cutting deck, which uses a dual disc, 12-blade setup, and that's powered by two separate 180-watt mowers, which can slice through thick grass. Now this one is IP66 waterproof, it's super quiet under 68 decibels, and it charges incredibly fast. For a pretty big suburban yard, the math makes total sense on these. At this price point, if you're currently paying a local lawn crew to take care of your yard, this machine completely pays for itself in a single summer. If you want to get your weekends back, I'm going to put the link for the Segway Navimow X430 right down here on the video so you can.